So I got the expandable squeegee from SKG pole, and on this video I'm going to do a quick demo of how to use this. But here's what you get. You get the pole itself and then the actual window squeegee. This can be a washable cloth in the front, and you can flip it around. That's where your squeegee is going to be like, so you don't have to flip out things. It's all in the same piece here, so I really like that. And they do give you a grip on the handles too, so if you are just going around their house, you can easily use this by hand. Otherwise, we can get it on the expandable pole. And how you do that is super simple. So just screws on the top like this. There's no like pins to lock into place. So you can take this on and off in seconds. So super simple to use. And then how you actually expand it is super easy. So these clips can just be unlocked. You can pull this in and out. It can go all the way up to 20 feet. But what I like is you can customize it down to the inch. So once you lock them into place, this is not going anywhere. So as you can see, I have super high windows here. So I'm going to quick show you how to do this, but it's very easy to use. So I personally used to clean these with a ladder, and that just made it so much more difficult to pull the ladder out. Honestly, these are pretty tall, so it really wasn't that safe. So this is so much simpler. I just get it to the right height and go now. Clean my windows like this, flip it around, use the squeegee. So I can clean my whole house in about 5 minutes just because I got a couple of these really tall windows. But this is like so much better than trying to bring out a ladder and just put myself in, kind of a dangerous situation and just make my life a whole lot harder. So overall, this is awesome. I love the detachable head here. I like the cloth and the squeegee on the same side. And then this pole itself is super comfortable too. They got grips on it so you can squeeze it. And it's pretty light too. I can hold it with one arm. But it does give you a little bit of weight too, so you can easily kind of put some force in there if you really have to scrub. But overall, super happy with this. Give it 2 thumbs up.